Hey, Larry, what's going on, bro? How you feeling?
Good, good.
Good to see you. Good.
Good trip?
Cool place.
Well, I thought you'd like this, you know.
Yeah.
Little car flavor and an old-time diner.
You know what I like about diners? Normally they're open 24 hours a day. You can get breakfast all day.
All day long.
They all got coffee.
Yeah.
When you're hungover, that's a really good thing.
Yeah.
Even if the coffee's not good, it's still good.
Diners are all kind of go back to the cars, the old times, the 50s, the 60s, all comes together.
It does.
Yeah.
I mean, look.
There you go.
It's great, no?
Yep, yep.
I like diners because they serve desserts. Sometimes desserts aren't that good, but they're still desserts.
It's all nostalgia. Everybody's into this nostalgia.
You're the biggest antique transmission guy in the country, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah, without a doubt.
Pretty impressive.
It's a neat little thing, a nice little niche.
Yeah, but it's something you've created. I mean, it didn't just happen.
You know, we're keeping all these old cars on the road.
Whenever I got a problem, Robin calls you and it all gets fixed. That's all I know.
Yeah.
You know, I'm really looking forward to seeing your place. And if the food is as good as the look here, we're really set.
You'll like it.
Well, let's order some food. Let's get some lunch. I'm a happy guy.
Time to eat.
I know a British guy up here who has some interesting cars. He's got a '69 Roadrunner he wants to sell.
Hey there, Ted.
How are you, man? Good to see you.
Mate, long time no see.
I got this gentleman from England. He's got a '69 Roadrunner, matching numbers car, 4-speed, all the right things. I'm usually exporting, so this is a little bit new for me. So if he wants reasonable money, I'll own this car.
There is an attraction to classic cars in the UK. We've got a location here and we've got a location in London as well. There's a lot of demand for these cars in the US, and we really don't have as much of a demand for this exact model in the UK, and it's not worth me shipping it, so I want to get rid of it here.
So tell me about the car.
It's a Plymouth, it's a Roadrunner. It's
69?
It's a 69. It's a 383.
Matching numbers?
Matching numbers, all original. You know, it's got a V8 in it.
4-speed?
4-speed manual. You know, you can get the power to the ground on this car.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah?
Somebody shoot at you?
I don't know, it wasn't me. It was with it when I got it. This is 335 horses. This is one of the original muscle cars.
It's a matching numbers car, which is huge for collectors. It's a 4-speed car, buckets, console, it's got it all.
I'm not gonna let it go too cheap. I'd like to see 15,000. That's gonna give him shipping costs down there, and he might get away with 22 to 25,000.
If I'm under 20 in that car, I'm good. That's just so easy to sell, so much in demand. If I'm under 20, it's my car.
I need to get 22,000 bucks for this car.
What?
Because
What?
Books.
I don't have books, I got money.
A single book, like a quid, a book.
A book.
A book.
A book is a buck.
A book's a book.
I need the books. I need the books. Yeah, come on.
So let's do it, 22,000 bucks. I know Ted's gonna come back and try and get me down as low as he can, but the demand for this car in Miami is huge. He could sell these every single day. I don't not want to sell the car, but I've got to be sensible. This is a very sought after motor vehicle.
Let me tell you, in all honesty, I'm gonna tell you what I think. I think the car is gonna bring me 18 to 22 is what I think I'll get for it. What I've got to buy this car for without beating you up, 10, 12, 14, that's where I gotta be.
That's way off. You know what this car
I'm not
and I
buying
do.
it to keep it, I'm buying it to sell it. I'm not on your side, I'm on my side. I want to buy it with enough room to ship it back to Florida and sell it. So 12 to 14, I'm in good shape.
I'll move a little bit because I know you've got to ship it south. Let's say 20 grand.
Can't.
It's an original car, Ted.
It is, oh, it's absolutely original.
The demand for these muscles is massive, especially down your way. Not those ones, these ones. 20 grand.
Nope.
Look at it, it's beautiful now.
15 grand done.
17.5. Come on, you're beating me up now.
I've got to spend a gee whiz to get it home.
We can get this down for a few $100, you know
No, you
that.
can't.
You're gonna have to move a bit, mate. You're gonna have to move a bit. It's all original, the numbers match. It'll be gone by next week with the amount of people he has down south.
I was picking on him because that's my job, and I'm explaining why I'm not going to pay him 25 grand. A lot of people don't get it. He gets it. I like the car. $16,000, done deal, and I'm done. And if you don't shake it soon, I'm taking it away, and I'm taking a hike.
We got a deal, mate. That's good. Good deal.
That's
yeah,
fair.
I'm happy with
Sure.
that. I'm
16.
happy with that. I did it. I got more than my bottom number, and I am pleased as punch. 16,000 bucks for this car means that, oh, I'm happy as a sandboy, I can't tell you.
I'm real happy with the deal. It's a good car to have at South Beach Classics. It's got the look, it's original, it's straight as a gun barrel. I'm happy.